how can you change sky in your image by using Photoleap app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Photoleap application, and after opening the Photoleap, you'll just simply have to go over edit photo and select the photo where you would like to change the sky. Now, let me select the edit photo, and then I'll pick this photo to change the sky, even though it doesn't have any sky. And after going into the photo, you will get to see this option of sky in here. Just simply tap to sky button, and after that you can select this sky from this section. Just simply choose this sky which you would like to set. I'm selecting this blue sky in here in order to change the sky into this picture. You will get a lot of varieties with the subscription. Just simply select this sky which you would like to choose for your picture, then tap to this check button into the top right, and your sky into the picture will be changed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.